entrepreneurship, a word that is too glorified in this world of social media. The life of the entrepreneurs that you see is not what they live. They always have the problem solving mentality. What is it? What mindset do these entrepreneurs have? What makes them successful? Let's see what the entrepreneurial mindset is. What is entrepreneurial mindset? Let's see how to build a entrepreneurial mindset. But here is the thing. The biggest killer of entrepreneurial mindset is self-doubt. The doubt in yourself about your idea or anything else. It's not the failure, it's not bad economy, it's not bad ideas. It's the doubt in your mind. So just start what you think. It will be successful, and just believe yourself. So the number one trait that you need to develop is the decision making ability, the ability to take decisions. To succeed as an entrepreneur in your life, you need to gain the ability to process the available data and see the circumstances and take decisions. Opposite of this, जहाँ आप decision नहीं ले पाते हो, is the one of the major reason for business failure in this world. Okay, so just develop the ability to make decisions by processing the available data. The second trait is to be confident, acting confident. Even though you don't know what it will be in future, even though you don't know it will be successful or not, you need to believe in yourself. You need to be confident in your vision that you have planned. Believe in your vision. That's it. You need to fake it till you make it, because no one was born with the skills to present anything. No one was born with the skill to be on stage and explain your product. So that's it. No one was born with it. You need to be confident on yourself. That's it. So be confident so that you will make it to this success. That's it. So be confident, guys, and nothing else. The number three trait is accountability. You need to be responsible for everything that happens in your life. You need to take responsibility of anything that happens at work. You need to take responsibility to anything that happens to your business. Even though it fails or even though it succeeds, you need to be responsible for that. From this moment onwards, you need to take responsibility of everything that happens in your life. You need to be accountable. You need to take responsibility, and that's it. So the number three trait is to be responsible and be accountable for anything that happens in your life. The number four trait is to be resilient. Resilience means to get up even after your failure. There will be many failures in your life. There will be many failures in your business. But even after those failures, you need to learn your lessons, get up on your feet, and start running towards the success. That's it. That's the main aim of the entrepreneurial mindset. You need to learn from your mistakes and get towards the success. The last but not the least, the important trait of the entrepreneurial mindset is humility. You need to be humble towards everyone. Even though you are acting confident, you are making your decisions, you did not need to be arrogant. You need to be humble to everyone else. You need to respect their opinions. You need to be learn from them, because if you are the smartest person in a room, then you are in the wrong room. Understand this. You need to learn anything you can from any person you can. That's it. You need to learn things. The main motto of our life is to learn things. So just keep learning, keep rocking, and that's it. If you love this video and you found it entertaining or informative, just subscribe to my channel. There will be more content based on like this, and that's it. So subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.